Good morning, traders. How we doing out there, guys? Sorry for the late stream. Never really saw a beginner come down there. Um, Tough day, guys. Tough day, guys. Took two big hits on VKTX there. Um, was just trying. I feel like I got to the point where I'm trying to make a trade versus as taking trades that are according to the strategy. Today got short on VKTX there at 11:46, and when the 11:50 break, I had to get on out there, had to cover, but it was a good idea. Just had to wait for this first red candle, and then that bounce back to that 40 would have got this move down here. I expected a red to green fail, but just went in there a little bit too early before the high, and now it's pushing back and curled back, and I took another short here at 11:14 thinking that we could crack back down underneath this VWAP, but I got squeezed up, guys. Took that squeeze up, got out of there, got out of the trade. Gonna finish the day down $40, but the real key that I'm not happy about is the amount of trades that I took today, the amount of tickets that I took today. We took 9 tickets today, so that's gonna actually, believe it or not, guys, it's gonna bring our account into the red. We're gonna be in the red, guys. It's definitely not what we wanted, guys. We want to build that consistency. We lost. Now this is gonna be red day 2, and the real key, guys, is that I feel like I put my risk out way too much today and never really got the trade that I wanted. I'm seeing GLD there go to 18 there, but as I'm down at my limit, I can't go and take this trade, even though I like the trade. But that's how it is, guys. You're not always gonna hit a home run. You're not always gonna win, and we're not always gonna be consistent right now. That's why we're trading. That's why we have this account. Definitely upsetting there on VKTX there, losing $44. Definitely over my max. I want to do max about $30 to $40, and today we're ending down 40. Definitely the worst day of the account so far, so just gotta focus, get back in here Friday, and hopefully limit the loss, get us back in the green for at least the account, and manage the loss. Just got to get back, guys. Got to focus on what I've been doing best. These trades that I took today are definitely not the trades that I do best. And the worst part is that you see the failing. You see the fail here. You just, at the end of the day, guys, I feel like I should have had this resistance here. Just didn't hold there. Went above and went up to this next one up there, 59. Just didn't want to give it risk to come up there to 11.75, but definitely should have waited on that first green candle. I do like to take trades past 9.45, and if I would have taken trades past 9.45, probably would have been short into this 27. But as you can see, this stock is curling here. It's looking like it's gonna go back to long again. It did the same thing yesterday as it failed, and then eventually went long. Definitely not what we wanted to get today. Wanted to get back into the green. Was actually looking forward towards getting back into the green for the week, and instead blew through way too much today, bringing my account back down, guys. I'm only going to be in the red because of commission, but that's definitely not what we want to be, guys. We're back down, and we got to find that consistency, guys. Got to find that discipline. When we don't have discipline, we're definitely going to take hits, and it's going to hurt, guys. DPX there, Dropbox, a recent IPO back in the a little bit while back. I think this year it came out. As you see, it's ripping up there to 36.50s. Definitely a pretty move there. That's gonna be all for the stream, guys, today. Saw up there GLMD. Was thinking about that at $17.99, but no way to get in there as I've already blown through my risk. Definitely not what we want to do, guys. We need to get back on the horse, and the only way to get back on the horse is trading our strategy. Felt like today, after that first loss on VKTX, after not following my strategy, exactly what I wanted to do, I created an emotion that just let me know that at the end of the day, got to take the trades that I know, man. If I'm not following my strategy, not doing the bear flags where it's 1, 2, and 3, that's how I trade, guys. That's when I trade good. When I just go ahead and I just start trying to read price action and just jump into things like that, that's when I definitely go ahead and get burned. You see this big bidder here, 36.26 there on DBX. Hey guys, just gonna go ahead and end the day. It's gonna be down. Got to get back in here, guys. Got to focus and go back to my strategy. Tomorrow we will be coming back down. Actually, it's probably gonna be rehab day. Yeah, it'll be rehab day. We'll just be trying to get green, just a little bit green there. Gonna keep it really tight tomorrow and just try to get back into taking trades that we know. INSY there, going off there. This is actually something that I was looking to get short here above there. Now it's touching up there to 780s. Has resistance there at $8. Look at that share size there at 781. Big seller there at 781. Could go through and push it up. That's going to be all for us today, guys. I'm seeing VKTX still hold those 1122s, looking like it's going to go above there. GLMD looked like a good trade for today. Just really upset, guys, that at the end of the day, had good thoughts on VKTX throughout the week, and this is actually the stock that got us our gains. So what we did was we just gave our gains right back to VKTX there, you know, and that's not what we want to do. We want to find good stocks. I feel like, you know, lately, especially this week, it's been really, really tough trading. You have to get your in and outs and just go ahead and take your profits off the table. After starting the week great on Monday, it's been a really, really tough week. Just got to work through it, guys. Every week is not going to be green. The idea of this account is to try to get that month green. You know, I've been really, really trying to gain in an account, trying to really build. Without reaching $400 in profits, we are not going to raise our sizing. So we're just going to stay in this sizing and try to battle it through. Yeah, we got our down point right now, but we're just going to go ahead and try to swing back on up. Just like a stock, you know, we're bouncing off right here, our moving averages, and we just got to bounce back into this game. Look for stocks that are actually more our strategy. That's going to be all for me today, guys. I'm going to go ahead and stop the stream. I'll be back tomorrow, guys, ready to swing hard and get right back in this. You know, definitely not what we wanted today, but it's going to happen, guys. You know, this is why we're building the consistency. This is why we're trading every day. And this is why we need to just continue on with this. You know, our dream is not going to happen overnight. and it's not just going to be a matter of 1 to 2 trades. It's going to be a matter of learning how to really be disciplined to exactly your trade. But all right, guys, seeing VKTX there, it's already back up there to 1140s. It's looking like a reversal for the end of the day. There's some people that say to go long on this stock now, but that would be go ahead and risking into 60s and $70s of money today. Not gonna do that. I'm gonna call it a wrap here. Like always, guys, I'll come in, I'll come out, guys. I'll be back. I'll be fighting no matter what, guys. I'm here for the long run, trying to make this account get through. That's all we can do. Have a good day, guys.